Hello there. This is my channel Tugustu Zarihun. Today I'll teach you here in my channel, YouTube my channel, the last topic which is deleting a file and restoring a file. Here why we delete a file from a computer. Sometimes the storage capacity of a specific computer drive is fixed or limited to delete when we reach its maximum level. First we have to choose the duplicated files, then we have to remove. If there is a corrupted files, we have to delete again. We may also sometimes delete manually duplicated viruses. File deletion is a removal of file from computer file system. It is a removal of file from computer file system. The recycle bin, it is a location where deleted files or folders are temporarily stored in all versions of Windows operating systems. When we delete any files, it is stored under recycle bin temporarily. To delete a file, folder, or multiple selected files, you need to right click on the file and select delete. How can we delete? By using a right click method, then we can choose the delete. Alternatively, can select the file and hit the delete key on the keyboard. There is a keyboard delete key. First, we have to show the computer or digital device which file you want to by selecting using the left mouse button. When you delete a folder, you delete all its contents as well. You may get a dialog prompt and tasks. This is a recycle bin. It shows you why we delete, freezing the disk space, some of the reasons we delete, freezing the disk space, removing duplicated or unnecessary data to avoid confusion, making sensitive information unavailable to users. Sometimes we may secure information may available, but the computer used by many users. That's why we have to delete sensitive information from that drive. The following activity will help you to delete unwanted file from a folder of your computer. Here is a exercise. Let me demonstrate you how to. Always first we have to find out video files because their storage capacity is very high comparing with that of audio, picture and text. From simple to largest, text, picture, audio, video. We have to first find out unnecessary. But for time being, I will show you here. Right click, then grade 9 folder, and delete like this. Or selecting once on the keyboard. There is a delete key here, the right side. First, we have to show the computer which file you want to delete. It is deleted. It is sent to recycle bin here. It's not possible to access here, but we can restore back by double click. Restore to the original place. This is the temporary storage area. Unnecessary files are stored. It says contain the files and folders that you have deleted. Sometimes you may, when you delete a file, it is permanently deleted. Why? When you use Shift key. By using Shift key at the same time with delete key, you can permanently delete from computer, or we can sending this storage drive. I'm in storage place. We can delete permanently by using Shift plus delete. Holding down Shift key on the keyboard, then right click, delete. It permanently delete. Without sending to recycle bin, it permanently. First, you have to be careful which files are deleted. Unnecessary, we have to choose unnecessary files. We have to check the folders before deleting the whole folder. Some may have important files under that folder. You have to check first. To delete multiple files, we can select by holding down Control key on the keyboard. With click. Here is a Control key that selects random files. For instance, holding down the Control, then the first just a random selection. Then right click on one of the items. Then delete. Or on the keyboard, you can use the delete. To select continuous files, first item select, then Shift key, then the last item. It's selects continuous values, continuous items. To select all, control with A. It helps you to select all. Then if some unwanted files under a storage a specific folder, you can use control plus A, then delete all. For time being is enough. You have to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel for today. Thank you.